Hi, my name's Ben and I'm going to be giving an overview of what I'm working on. This time it's some Alita Fan Art. So, yeah, this is something I wanted to work on, kind of just to practice some markers. I've not really done much marker work recently. So I just wanted to get a sketch done in Photoshop, and after the sketch was down I started to clean the lines up, make sure it was all tidy. After that I could then print it off and get the markers out. So yeah, these were basically just grey tones. I had a set of warm and cool greys and I was just blending those together, and this was the final result. So it looks a little bit yellow, that's just kind of the lighting in the photo, but yeah, pretty happy with how it turned out. I did try adjusting some of the contrast on the computer after scanning it in, and I kind of like the original kind of version as well as this one. But yeah, they both work. They both have their own pros and cons. But yeah, overall pretty happy. So yeah, anyway, yep, cheers for checking that out. If you want to check out more of my stuff, you can go to bencrafter.com.